Now you will learn how to install a theme in WordPress. There are two ways to install a WordPress theme. I will show you the both ways, so watch the video till the end and stay with me. Okay, at first log in your WordPress dashboard. Now click or hover on Appearance menu. Now you can see Themes options. Just click on Themes options. Now you can see a theme is already installed. By the way, after creating a new WordPress website, a theme is by default installed. Now we installed a new WordPress theme and make our site looks professional. For this, click on Add New Theme. Now you can see a plenty of theme is available. You can install any of these themes based on your needs, but keep in mind install a lightweight theme so that your website loads faster. You can see popular, latest blog theme, favorites and so many options. You can step by step visit on them. If you scroll down, you can see a plenty of themes available. You can choose any of them, but Asta, GeneratePress, Cadence, Nib and so on are lightweight and popular. You can see thousands of free WordPress themes available and you can create a stunning website with use of this theme. When you hover a theme, you can see two options, preview and install. If you click preview option, you can see all of the details of the theme. And if you want to install the theme, just click on install button. And by clicking install button, you can install the theme. You can also search a specific theme from the search box, search theme option. Now I am searching GeneratePress, right? GeneratePress, and you can see GeneratePress theme is appear. In this way, you can search any of the theme, just put your theme name and your theme will be appear here. If you scroll down, you can also see GeneratePress theme. Just click on install button and GeneratePress theme is installed. Now you can see two options, live preview and activate. If you use this theme, then you have to click the activate button. You can also click the live preview and see the overall theme design and functionality. Okay, just click on activate button and your theme will be activated. Now you can customize your theme. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a WordPress theme. Now I will teach you the second way to install a WordPress theme. In this way, you can install a premium WordPress theme, and if you need premium theme, check the link in the description. For this, at first you have to download the theme file. You can download the theme from Theme's official website or marketplace like Themeforest and so on. I will give all the link in the descriptions so that you can check them out. Okay, after download your WordPress theme file, log in your WordPress dashboard. Now click or hover on Appearance menu and click on Themes option. Now you can see your installed theme. As we installed another theme, so click on Add New Theme options. Now you can see Upload Theme button. Just click on Upload Theme button and you can see Choose File options. Click Choose File options and choose your theme file. After choosing your theme file, just click on Install Now button and your theme will be installed. Now you have to active the theme to use it. Congratulations! You have to successfully install your WordPress theme. I hope you have learned the proper way to install a WordPress theme and now you are a master to install a WordPress theme. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. This video is a part of WordPress full course for beginners. So if you want to learn WordPress properly, then subscribe to this channel right now and stay with me. I will teach you every part of WordPress so that you can become a beginner to professional WordPress expert. Okay. You have to learn how to install a WordPress theme. Now you should learn how to install a plugin. Click the right video and learn how to install a WordPress plugin.